explosion and scare for students at a Denver charter school. One student right now still in the hospital, 3 other high schoolers recovering, and their chemistry teacher, Daniel Powell, under investigation after a chemical explosion in class. Now, this happened at Strive Prep School, a charter school on the Lalo Delgado campus on Arizona near Federal. The teacher is now on paid leave, and 7 News hearing from a student who was in the class when it happened. He tells us the teacher was lighting methanol and flames just shot to the roof.
We were all just chaotic. We were just trying to figure out what just happened, and we just seen fire everywhere in the room too, and we were just trying to put it out and help the students.
3 of the injured students, they're now out of the hospital. The 4th is still in the burn unit at University Hospital. Denver school officials are telling 7 News all science lab activities have stopped while they try to figure out what happened. And we have questions too about how this could happen in one of our classrooms. Call 7 investigator Kelly Raybon uncovering the dangers associated with this type of experiment. Kelly, you're finding some of the warnings are ignored.
That's right, and the Call 7 investigators finding demonstrations involving methanol have a history of problems. Cell phone video taken just a couple of weeks ago at the Discovery Museum in Reno, Nevada, shows a so-called fire tornado going horribly wrong. 13 people were injured, 8 of them children. And in January, a methanol fire experiment like this one, known as the Rainbow, severely burned a high school student in New York City. The U.S. Chemical Safety Board has repeatedly issued warnings about the dangers of educational methanol demonstrations, even releasing this video late last year titled After the Rainbow that features the young victim of another such accident. Most recently, in response to that Reno explosion, the CSB calling on educators to, quote, discontinue any use of bulk ethanol or other similar flammables in lab demonstrations that involve combustion, open flames, or ignition sources. But in an unfortunate coincidence, that new warning, with its much stronger language, was issued this morning, just as the students here in Denver were injured.